A Mountain Home attorney who tried to stop the Chad Daybell murder trial just 2 days before it was scheduled to begin has been ordered to pay a fine for his actions.
Terry Ratliff will have to pay the fees of the court and the lawyers the triple murder trial. Ratliff isn't affiliated with either the defense or the prosecution. In a fiery 20-minute hearing with Ratliff, the defense and the prosecution and the judge chastised Ratliff for his motion to delay trial. This caused a real loss for the attorneys and the court. Judge Boyce said he asked the attorneys for both the defense and the prosecution to itemize the time they spent in what he called a frivolous hearing.
Judge Stephen Boyce held a hearing after sending the jury home for the day. Cameras were allowed in court at this time. For John Pryor's time, Ratliff will have to pay $350 per hour. For the prosecution's time, he will have to pay $65 per hour for a total of $1,228.75.
The defense continued its case today in the murder trial, picking apart testimony given by the prosecution's witnesses. The CEO of Metadata Forensics testified about the devices that were around the Daybell property on the morning that investigators believe Tylee Ryan's body was burned and buried. He said the data he reviewed from September 9th, 2019 did not show Chad Daybell's device on his property.
Okay, so if I understand your testimony, is that on 9/9 at approximately 9:19 through 12:10, there is no identification data showing that any device owned by Chad Daybell is on his property. Is that correct?
Yes, nothing in the evidence showed that.
He also testified that data from other devices was also flawed. He said on October 19, 2019, the day Tammy Daybell died, there was no indication that Alex Cox's device was within 1.4 miles of Chad's property either.
As always, we are streaming the trial live on our channels, digitally at localnews8.com and on our app, which you can put on any device. You can also stay up on all of our past coverage as well. We'll be checking in with Linda Larson on this case as she is tracking it today.